Asian Company was established in 2014. Asian Garment is a sportswear factory integrated with production and trade and research and sale productions of sports yoga wear. We are located in Dongguan City, where transportation is convenient and production is developed. Asian has grown together with Alibaba Clothing Market for 10 years. We are familiar with the production process of sportswear. Our factory workers have abundant experience and can master various kinds of stitching technology to meet the needs of customers. Our team becomes stronger and stronger. Under the efforts of all employees, all of our products comply with international quality standards and are currently exporting 100% products throughout the world. Our well-equipped facilities and quality control throughout all the stages of productions enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. As a result of abundant products and customer meticulous service, we have gained global sales network reaching Europe, America, Australia, part of Asia, and Africa. Our company believes superior quality, best reputation, customer is supreme. It is these beliefs that have won us more and more recognition of clients from all over the world. We are willing to cooperate with customers at domestic abroad in good faith, and on the basis of equality and mutual benefit and common development together. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationship with all clients around the world in the near future.